Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Fresh Sausage 102, equipment needed to make fresh sausage. Fresh sausage, including breakfast, Italian, and bratwurst, are among some of the easiest products to make at home, as they require no curing and can be done with minimal equipment. In fact, if you wanted to try it, you could make fresh sausage with either just a meat grinder or just a sausage stuffer. To make sausage with just a grinder, you're going to start with a whole muscle cut of meat. We like to use untrimmed pork butts as it's large, relatively inexpensive, and has a lean to fat ratio of about 70-30. The first step you're going to do is break it down into smaller chunks so it can fit down the throat of your grinder. Smaller grinders are going to have smaller throats, so you need to cut them up into smaller sizes just to fit down there. Now, a 32, something like this, is going to take a rather large chunk and it's going to grind through your meat really quick. Smaller home grinders like this one, you're going to need to get them really nice and small for that to be able to handle it. This 32 also has a really powerful motor, so it can be run for long periods at a time, while the home style grinders really should only be run for about 5 minutes at once. So you should grind your meat twice through these grinders. For a fresh sausage, we're generally going to go twice through a 3/16 plate, maybe once through a 3/16 plate and the second one through a 3/8, but that's up to you. It's just what type of texture you want with it. Once you've ground it through your second time, you'll take out your plate and knife and use a star stuffing adapter in place of those. What this is going to do is prevent your auger from riding on the bottom of the throat and creating unnecessary wear and tear on your auger. Then you're going to attach, maybe depending on your model, a new auger and a stuffing tube. Put those on, put your casings over this, turn it back on, and the motor will actually push it right down and into the casing for you. Couple just quick notes on this is it's going to take a lot longer to do it with this than you would with a sausage stuffer. And that's just because that's not what this is designed to do. This is designed to take a whole cut of muscle and break it down into a ground product. Obviously, depending on what you're using your sausage stuffer for, you're going to choose a different stuffing tube. If you're looking to stuff something like these bags, you want to choose the largest stuffing tube we have. With this, you'll fill those meat bags up in less than a minute. If you're choosing something like a bratwurst, you want to use the medium size. Just choose something that your casing is just comfortably fitting over. You want the casing to come off the stuffing tube smoothly, but you don't want it to come off just too smoothly like it's blowing everything out. Trying to fill this with a small stuffing tube is going to take a long time and it's going to give you a weird texture inside of it. Both of these pieces of equipment have their advantages. If you're somebody who's a hunter and you have a lot of venison or whatever that you're trying to break down from a whole carcass down into sausage, I'd go with a grinder. But if you're just a home person who's looking to get into sausage making, the sausage stuffer and buying pre-ground pork or whatever type of meat you want to use is a great way to go about it. You're probably going to end up with a better looking and tasting product with this than you will with the grinder and trying to use it as a stuffer. Now, ideally, these two would be used together, as this allows the process to be controlled from start to finish. A meat mixer could be helpful as well, but since it's a fresh product, we don't need to worry about protein extraction. Mixing it with your hands in a bowl will work just fine. Your hands might just get a little bit cold. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.